Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Suresh. I am working as a data scientist right now. So today we are going to talk about data science concepts and machine learning related stuff. So first few slides we'll talk about basics of machine learning and then who interested in machine learning. Finally, we'll talk about machine learning requirements. Okay, let's get started. Okay, what is machine learning? So, as of now, you may aware of we have a lots of data in our every industry to make that data to get the better business decision. So, what we do, we have to find out patterns in that data. So, we are using machine learning algorithms to achieve or solve many business problem. For example, we have a did credit card fraud detecting. So if you have enough credit card transaction details, you can find out more about credit card fraudulent. Second one is spam detection. Normally, if you are using Gmail, you can see the spam email detection algorithm work as expected. Then we have so many movie recommendation in Amazon Prime or Netflix site. Finally, we have Amazon. If you are buying Amazon product, you can see the below as a recommended product. So this is example of machine learning related. So we move on to who interested in machine learning. As of now, our industry we have three main customers interested in machine learning. First one is that business leader, second one data scientist, and third one software developer. Why business leaders want to implement machine learning? Because we have so many business problem in every industry. So they want to implement machine learning algorithm to get the better risk, and also they want to get more uh, solution from the business problems. The second one is data scientist. Normally, what is data scientist means? I know the business problem very well, and also I know the technology. Who, if I implement the technology to solve those machine learning problem, so I am one of the data scientists in that particular business area. Third one is software developer. Then who want to implement that machine learning algorithm? So we need a software developer to implement that algorithm using machine learning, and the programming language we can use either Python or R programming to do to deal with big data concepts. Then third one is the machine learning requirements. So as of now, we have a lots of data. The second one is lots of computer power is needed for executing machine learning algorithms. The third one is effective machine learning algorithms. So the three topics, as we know, we need to implement that machine learning algorithms. So as of now, we have lots of data in every industry because we are living in the big data area. As of now, we have a huge data is coming from every industry like finance, science, sports, and public health, insurance, etc. In order to this data to be useful, we must understand it and implement corresponding machine learning algorithm to achieve our business problem solutions. The next one is lots of computer power is required. So yes, we have a enough computer power right now because we are living in the cloud storage area, right? The third one is, mm, if you want to better business solution, you need to choose the corresponding machine learning algorithm to evaluate the business, and it will produce some effective results. Basically, machine learning, we have a three type of machine learning. One is for supervised, another one is for unsupervised, third one is for reinforcement supervised learning. Okay, so in upcoming session, I'm planning to give the couple of session related to machine learning and data science. So keep watching my channel if you are interested. Thank you for watching my video.